Hi everyone, let me show you the recent updates to the multi-agent demo we have added. But let's first talk about why do you need multi-agent interaction and the need for governance and control as we continue our journey exploring the agentic capabilities provided by different providers. We discover different types of agent frameworks with no code to pro code, and users are of course in a democracy here, so they are preferred be using their favorite agent framework where they feel comfortable to build agents with. These can be no-code tools, but can be also pro-code tools. So, and as we grow into the agentic journey, every team is going to create specialized agents to gain productivity and efficiency. And at some point, there will be the need to scale up the productivity part to the department or even to the whole organization. And you will need to orchestrate across these different specialized agents. As we will interacting between multiple agents, the complexity will grow. Even these agents are commonly talking as a protocol like ACP or A2A. It will be complex because every agent will be discoverable and every agent will be able to call any other agent. This will cause a lot of noise and technical debt. So, what's the solution for it? We suggest an architecture pattern to design these agents into so-called fabrics. Fabrics which are specialized and attached to a topic. Like in this case, on the top left, you can see we have sales fabric holding sales specialization agents for field sales, lead generation, customer service, and these are governed by a boundary. This boundary represents a domain agent which is taking care about the interaction to these specialized agents. So all interactions will be going through that specific entity. Whenever there's a query coming in, either from a user or from another agent, it will be treated and handled by the domain entity downstream. Let me show you a quick example how this will be implemented in a demo. So this is the host agent which doesn't have any specialized agent available as yet. So you can see this boundary is completely empty. It can answer generic question, but if I would like it to answer a specialized question about inventory, it will deny because it doesn't have any specialized agents available. But my inventory management is done in SAP, and the SAP team recently has created a inventory agent which is able to which has the responsibility about sales and distribution. So this is what I would like the agent to discover, right? So on a certain material number, I would like to see what is the unrestricted use of units available to that specific material. So how would I do it? We have published the SAP Joule agent, made it A2A compliance, and published it into our Anypoint Exchange, the agent registry for your internal organization. And now I'm connecting to Anypoint Exchange to discover this agent. You can see sales and distribution agent has been published here. I can use it, assign the agent type. This is just for tagging mechanism as the agent itself speaks A2A. And now the agent is going to present his digital business card. So three skills are available. Along those skills is inventory check, sales order, and process delivery. If I ask the question now, you will see that the domain agent, which has now a specialized agent available, will go to that specialized SAP agent to get me that inventory. So that was easy, done. So what else can I do? I have also built a couple of agent force agents. So I would like to create a multi-agent interaction between agent force agent and another co-pilot agent which we built. And the co-pilot agent has access to Jira. It can discover the different issues I have. And I would like to use a knowledge agent from Salesforce Agentforce, which has been built here, where I can ask questions about return policy or even how do I initiate the return. So let's see how this can be done. So I can go back to my domain agent and add, first of all, the agent force agent, which is the knowledge agent, into the domain. And I will tag it as the agent force agent type. You can see the agent force agent is added. And on the same route, I'm going to add, there's a UI bug, I need to refresh. I need to add now the Microsoft Copilot agent. So the Copilot agent is the issues and bug agent, which I can now add, tag it as Microsoft Copilot, and now these two agents are available. So what I would like to get from the Copilot agent is get issue with ID 133, press enter, and now the agent should return to me exactly the issue ID, which comes from Jira. As you can see here, how to initiate a return. This has been able to discover. And if I ask now the domain agent, how do I initiate a return, it should be able to give me that information. So as a user, probably I can combine here a multi-agent interaction between the agent force agent who holds the knowledge and the Copilot agent who is able to discover bugs on the Jira side. And here's a detailed description how we can initiate a return. So let me go to the domain agent and write here get issue details for ID 133 and find out how do I initiate a return to resolve the issue. Let's see what happens. So it should ask both agent in parallel, as you can see, issue and bug agent, as well as the knowledge agent, which is from Agentforce, and the both should be replying. So this domain agent is able to summarize that for me. And that's a good example how a multi-agent interaction will be working and what could be the use of a knowledge agent to let them collaborate together to help users. And this could be even going that far that you say, okay, look up in Jira, always when a new issue is entered, the Copilot agents initiate an interaction with the Agentforce agent, which provides all the knowledge available on the knowledge base, which is going to then fed back to the Copilot agent to comment on the bug and issue. So this is something which you can build using the agent fabric of MuleSoft, and you can add additional agents as well. Like we have another agent which is holding information from HubSpot. So I can add the lead agent here, which is a HubSpot agent, save it. It's A2A conform. It has been published into the Exchange platform, and I can interact with the agent as well. Get lead details such as ID, name, and email for Homer Simpson. So this has to be contact in my lead management system, as you can see here in HubSpot. So the domain agent, which is orchestrating all this, goes into HubSpot with the help of the lead management agent. The lead management agent replies with the details, and the domain agent is able to receive this detail. So this is a great example how you can initiate with less complexity a multi-agent interaction between one or multiple agents with parallel execution, or even have execution which are sequentially scheduled and orchestrated by the domain agent through MuleSoft in a secured and sustainable platform.